I went through a whole lot of battlefield.
Yo.
Like, there's no more of whatever it was.
Day 3 was an absolute success. Also, probably one of the most intense days. The rain was hitting. It was pouring all day, basically. I think there were like waves of strong rain and then no rain. It was just really hot and humid. My body was just so confused with the weather. Oh my god, I feel so sick right now, but honestly, we're gonna thrive today too. And I think it's gonna rain again. Wow, yesterday was so good. It started raining so hard when we were pre-gaming, and our fits were like tiny, you know, we were showing a lot of skin. And we got in our Uber, and our Uber driver, every Uber driver has been so nice. You know, the Uber right here, it was like an hour. I had the most beautiful conversation with my Uber driver. Like, we're talking about family. It's okay because I did share. So we also picked up another guy who's also a really nice man. He's cybersecurity, international student from like Ghana. Like, everyone has been so great. My Uber driver, shout out to you. My god, like, dude, honestly, I think the Uber drivers in Chicago have actually changed my life. Like, they're so kind. On the way to Lolla, our Uber driver literally saw us and knew we were going to be super fucked up from the rain. So he stopped by like 3 different stores. Like, we went to a Target and then a Walgreens, and then we went to Dick's after. Like, he just kept stopping by just to make sure we buy some ponchos. He was so nice about it. It wasn't even our idea. It was his. He didn't have to do it. I just love Chicago. Oh my god, I look so good right now. Thank you. 왜 이렇게 다들 귀엽냐고.
Bro, this top does not look clean.
What is that? What is that? What is that, 똥? 짜증나.
She literally was like, what is Emma? So cute.
Let me tell you guys about Odessa real quick. Odessa was so life-changing. If you've never seen Odessa, make sure you see Odessa before you die. It literally felt like we were all on one page. Like, we were just so focused. Nobody was really talking. We were just really vibing to the music. The set isn't like crazy lit. I think it's just a very beautiful, don't even have the right words to say.
It was spiritual.
It was spiritual. I feel like I was so tensed up. I was just really waiting for this moment. I was so excited to see Odessa because it's been so long, and once the set was over, all the strength in my body just like got released. Wow, it's over. Like, that's crazy. It was so good. Okay, well, we're gonna get ready now.
You talk about Chloe.
Oh my god, and then we went out, like we did so much yesterday. Like, it didn't even feel like a whole day. But oh my god, we went clubbing last night. We went to this place called Celeste. I don't know where the fuck we went before, like Bombard Inn or something. I don't know. Bombard Inn. Oh, Hubbard Inn. I had to ask a worker, do you know where this is? Like, I have no idea where we are right now. It was so fun. Chicago was so fun. This club Celeste, like, there were like 4 different floors, different types of music. And I think the top floor we went to, it was like outdoor. They were playing some EDM, but it was crowded because the space is really small. There was a disco room, and it was so pretty. There were like a bunch of guys dancing, and like we all like formed a little circle and we're vibing. Like, it was cute. It was cute. I love it here.
What? Girlie, I can get 'cause she don't get too many likes. What? Girlie and a cutie, I can turn into my wife. 1, 2, hey, go! I spy with my little eye. Never hold up, never mind. Oh, would you like to be my sunshine? Nigga, touch my game, we gon' turn that shit to Columbine.
all over the toilets. Aloha. Yeah. What is all of this? Talking to the moon, trying to get to you.
Here we go, here we go.
I'm on my way.
You can be my full-time daddy while I go. Don't break me down. Cause I've been traveling too long. Goddamn, you fucked me so good that I almost said I love you. Cause you're just my man. It's just what you do. Your head in your hands as you color me blue. You used to call me DM. That stood for deadly nightshade. Jim taught me that. He hit me and it felt like a kiss. Jim brought me back. Reminded me of when we were kids. Ultra love. Ultra love. I love you forever. I love you forever, ever, ever, ever. Pull up in your fast car. It's you, it's you. It's really all for you. Everything I do, I tell you all the time. Heaven is a place on earth with you. Tell me all the things you wanna do. I heard that you like the bad girls, honey. Is that true?
Alright, we're at the bean, but we're also not at the bean. Sing it, sing it, sing it.
2:30, won't you meet me, baby?
You're wrong. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me at the bean?